So, if you know anything about VXRs, you've probably seen this one on YouTube. This is Vinny's 570 brake, you say?
500
Astra VXR?
It's 540 newton meters tall. Just finally been done by Gits Motorsport with the EMU Black ECU. Running ethanol now as well.
Yeah, so that's 570 on ethanol, and what did you say it was on pump?
But I think it worked out about 510, something like 5.5.
Yeah?
Yeah, on normal pump fuel, which is a big difference, especially with the ethanol and that, as you'll see.
Yeah, and the turbo, it's a G30 660?
Yeah, 660,
Can have
Garrett,
a little look.
Yeah, go for it. Yeah, with the enhanced manifold. I bought it as a kit from Enhanced about a couple of years ago when I started the build. Got all the bottom end wedged, decked, bigger pistons, got it all bored and that. That's been done. It was running 533 brake, allegedly, but we weren't quite seeing that on the new sort of rolling rollers. So Ash at Gits Motorsport had a talk with me about going for the EMU Black. So we decided to get it in, go for the EMU Black, get it running on ethanol. And yeah, it made really good power really. It made about 570, which it's a total difference from before. Yeah. But yeah, it's a work in progress at the moment. More to be coming. So yeah.
So you've got some nice radium goodies on the fuel system.
Yeah. That's the flex fuel sensor.
Yeah.
That actually switches between the maps, so you don't have a switch basically. It works it out all by itself.
Yeah, just by the percentage of ethanol you've got in the tank.
Yeah, as long as you're over 60%, of ethanol, then the high boost map will turn in. It's got the Gits Motorsport fuel rail. It's got 1500cc as new injectors, fuel pressure regulator on there, electronic. As you can see, it's all moving and that, it's not fixed, so there's no pressure on it. We are running mathless now instead of MAF. Just another little thing didn't need.
Yeah, which is a big thing with the standalone, isn't it? You can run mathless now properly, speed density, and you're not tricking the ECU like the Rapid mapped cars were back in the day, which still seems to be one of the best options for these, but
yes, they are.
Doesn't quite compare.
No, that's right. It's totally different. When you stand the standard alone ECU with the standard ECU, there's a hell of a lot of difference. Like, as you've probably seen from the last video, I really weren't expecting what it actually made and how it felt. It was shocking. But yeah, that's about it really for the engine wise. Gearbox standard, nothing special there. Running 4 paddle clutch, light and balanced flywheel. Yeah, that's what I pretty think really. But it will be going back to Gits to have more headwork done, bigger valves, ported. Whatever else it needs, you know what, mate? And it's one of those things.
Nice.
Yes, very happy with it.
Brakes and suspension?
Brakes and suspension is running stance suspension. Yeah. With Bowler 19-inch wheels. The brakes are K-Sport 4 pots, 8 pots, should I say. Rear's totally standard setup at the moment. You do feel it sometimes on the braking and that, but that's where we're going to move on to the upgraded brakes on the rear.
Yeah. The Vectra, Vectra brakes.
Upgrade. It's got the rear anti-roll bar on there, half cage. It's quite a bit of a beast really. Very happy with it.
Well, thanks for showing us around.
No, you're more than welcome. And like, as you'll see in a minute, you'll be coming out for a test drive in it. And take you down the old pod in it, see how you feel.
Nice.
13.2, quite happy about it, so let's see what we can get in this one. Today we're joined with James, sorry. But yeah, I'll put the links in the description for his channel and that. Another YouTuber, I'll go over to his page on his YouTube and give him a subscribe and that. And this will be my first time in anything over 400 horsepower. Oh really? Yeah. Oh okay, yeah. So yeah, guys, let's see what happens.
It's quick. It's like warp speed.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, that's a little bit different from mine. That's brilliant, Vin.
You like that, yeah?
Yep. Absolutely. Hey, thanks for taking me down, innit?
Yeah, man. Nah, cool, man.
That is awesome. One of the most savage sounding cars.
It is, isn't it?
But you'll never get bored of that.
Nah, you won't wear.
That's awesome.
It's alright, isn't it?
Shit. It was still like 125 mile an hour.
Yeah, yeah.
It's shifted.
I thought it felt a bit sluggish.
Yeah. What is it? Is it sport for anti-lag?
Yeah.
Switch for high boost?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Fuck.
You show us the anti-lag down here again.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Oh, it's just wild. It never gets old, does it?
No, no.